Consumers trust reviews coming from trusted source because they know that those guys actually bought the product and had the proper experience with the product. We decided to have impartial review because we think that customer trust more their peers. They feel more comfortable if reviews that they see on our website are coming from an independent external source. Social is one of the key activities for Acer in the next future, as we want our customer to participate in conversation with us. We want to be able to respond. We want a customer to become our main advocate. Revo can help in this transformation for social through impartial review, because it acts as a third party, is guaranteeing that nothing is done on reviews, and this is very clear both to Acer and to our customer. Having Revo services integrated with our website is going to, and is already doing, improve the engagement of customer, because from what we see, customers that read reviews stay more on the website, they see more pages, and they are more keen on engaging with other customers.